Hey everyone, Shraddha here. Here I'm going to tell you two top websites that you can use to convert your images into PDF. So let's talk about it. So convert image to PDF. So first one is I Love PDF is a great website where you can do it within 1 minute. Even if you have to choose around 13 to 20 photos, then also you can do it within 1 minute if your internet connection is proper. So you can do it maybe within 40 to 50 seconds. But if it is slow, so within 1.5 minutes you can easily like finish that work to convert images around 20 to 30 images into a PDF. And second is smallpdf.com. There are other websites also where you can do it, but I would suggest you to prefer these two, because in these websites, like, you need not to pay anything, you need not to like go for premium subscription or anything like this. So let me show you one example of it. So first thing is, for like Love PDF, you need to choose the format of JPG images. So you can't do it with PNG thing, so you have to go with JPG, that with background images. So JPG, I'm choosing a few Canva like post just to show you. So okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm choosing a few. So what we can do is we can select multiple within at one shot. So let me show you how to do it. Like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like whatever photos you want to choose, you can I'm just randomly select. So yeah, once done, you need to click on select. Then you can see all the photos here. Make sure that suppose if there are 10 photos, right, and so the photo that you are going to select at first, or tapping at first, so this will be your first page. So based on the number of count, or say when the number when you are tapping that post, that first page you are tapping first number, second number. So based on the based on that sequence, your PDF will be prepared. So you can see the way or the number I chose to select the photo. You can see it here. Then we need to click on convert to PDF. Then it will be right here. Then you can download it, and yeah, it's done. So yeah, I would suggest you to prefer this website, I Love PDF, because you need not to pay anything. And even if they will ask for you to sign in for it or sign up for it, so I would suggest you, if you have to do it for multiple times, so it like there is no harm or there is no loss if we are signing up in those sort of websites where we need to do this kind of work on a regular basis. So I would suggest you to go for it, and it's a great website. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye.